Hi everyone. I'm hopeful that all you will be fine. In the last session, we have successfully got the assistance list or OAuth list using the Zoom users REST API. Okay. And we are keep continuing with the Zoom users REST API. And in this session, we will learn how you can actually get the users collaboration devices that where from user or as usual joining from the devices. So you can get the device name, type, and all the stuff. So let's start. So in this session, we will get the list of collaboration devices, and in the next session, we will get the details of that device, exact device. Okay. So let's continue. First, need to hide the floating controls. Then first we need to create a const variable. So we here say collaborative device. Okay, collaborative device, and we say here we need to pass the user ID. Okay, and the user ID will be same as you can see. We can pass any one of the value from this type of values for the user ID. So we here say users, and we need to pass the user ID, and then we say collaboration devices. Okay, so using the collaboration devices at the end, we will get the list of devices. So we have say collaboration devices need to format, and at the end we first need to export that variable, and inside the user server we first need to import that. So we say collaboration devices, and at the bottom we need to import that. We need to use that. Okay, so we say here collaboration devices. I think we need to remove. We say devices. Okay, we say list. Either we can say collaboration device. I think we need to remove the S from here because there will be a naming conflict. I think in the next session I will create a proper object so that we can get rid of that naming conflict issue. Okay, so we pass a user ID, and inside that we first need to build the URI. So we have a collaborative device URI. Use string interpolation, and inside that we first need to pass API based URI, and then we append collaborative devices helper. So inside that, I think we have a device. Inside that we pass user ID. So first we need to change the here also. And now I have okay. So then we just need to build up access for the request. So we say await and access. I'm keep using the Node.js, okay, for the Zoom REST API. But if you are not familiar with the Node.js and you want me to build your choice of language or platform, then just please place a comment on the video comment section that I can also build your choice of language code inside the integration with the third parties also, okay. So I will say URL and collaboration devices URI method will be get, and we say here headers. So headers, we need to pass the token, and then we need to return response, each say error, and we need to return error, and from here we need to return the collaborative devices. I think we need to remove this, and we remove from here data. Okay, then we need to export a helper. So we say collaborative devices inside the API. First need to import, take collaborative devices. At the bottom, we just need to do the API endpoint. So we said API get API zoom slash ID, and we say collaborative devices, and we say async and request to response. Here we say late devices, wait collaborative devices, and we pass request of params.id, return response.json, and devices format, semicolon, open the terminal. Need to remove this and payment start. I think we are missing something. So collaborative devices is not defined. So let's see inside the constants. So now it is defined. Payment start. And let's request from the browser. So we say localhost 44000 API Zoom, and we say I think it is users. Let's recheck that. So it is Zoom ID. I think we need, but let's continue with the ID. So we say free. I'm just passing the email and say collaborator. Need to copy this and paste it on the browser and hit enter. I think first we need to place a breakpoint inside the helper here and here, and then request. Okay, so we have successfully got the response. Inside the response, we have a data, and for now, I do not have any list, do not have any value inside the collaborative devices list. But if you have any, then you will successfully got the value inside this. Okay, hopefully you have enjoyed this session. If you have any query regarding this session, then just please comment your queries inside the video comment section. Either you have any queries regarding my previous all the third-party sessions, then maybe also you have any suggestions regarding my channel and series, then all those are most welcome. You can share those details via my shared contact details either on email, either on WhatsApp. Okay, so let's come back to the next section. Take care. Bye bye.